Looking for the perfect drone in 2025? We got you covered. In this video, we review the top 5 drones of the year, showcasing their features, performance, and why they stand out. Whether you're into photography, videography, or just love flying gadgets, these picks will suit your needs. Don't miss our expert tips to help you make the best choice. Let's dive in and find your perfect drone. Number 5. The Holy Stone HS720G 2-axis gimbal drone is an excellent choice for beginners and casual users seeking a feature-packed, budget-friendly drone. Its 4K Ultra HD camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and electronic image stabilization (EIS) ensures stunning, vibration-free footage, making it perfect for capturing landscapes and detailed aerial views. The built-in FAA-compliant remote ID adds convenience by meeting regulatory requirements without needing an extra module. With brushless motors, the HS720G delivers quiet, smooth, and efficient flights, offering enhanced stability and durability. The drone's dual batteries provide up to 52 minutes of total flight time, allowing for extended exploration. The GPS auto-return feature ensures safe and effortless navigation, automatically guiding the drone back home if the signal is lost or the battery runs low. User reviews highlight the drone's durability, withstanding beginner crashes without performance loss, and its responsive customer service. One user praised the easy setup, comprehensive tutorials, and overall value, while another emphasized the exceptional picture quality and lightweight design. While it's an ideal entry-level drone, a common wish among users is for an included spare battery. Overall, the HS720G combines advanced features, portability, and affordability, making it a standout choice for those stepping into the world of aerial photography and videography. Number 4. The Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone is a remarkable choice for beginners and seasoned users alike, offering high-end features at a competitive price. Weighing under 249 g, this lightweight drone bypasses FAA registration requirements, making it incredibly travel-friendly. Its 3-axis gimbal and Sony CMOS sensor ensure stable, professional-grade 4K by 30 frames per second footage, even in windy conditions. The Fly More combo includes 3 intelligent batteries, providing an impressive 96 minutes of total flight time, a parallel charging hub, and a carrying case. Great value for extended adventures. With SurgeFly technology, users enjoy a strong 6 km transmission range and excellent anti-interference capabilities, enhancing reliability during flights. Users praise the drone's stability, smooth visuals, and intuitive controls. The Quick Shots feature, with options like circle, spiral, and boomerang, makes cinematic video creation effortless. The GPS-assisted return to home (RTH) function provides peace of mind, ensuring the drone returns safely even when out of sight. One user highlighted the durable build and responsive customer service, reporting hassle-free replacements for minor issues. Another reviewer appreciated the compact design, flight precision, and video quality, comparing it favorably to more expensive alternatives. The only downside is its visibility against the sky, but overall, the Potensic Atom stands out as a portable, reliable, and feature-rich drone perfect for aerial enthusiasts. Highly recommended. Number 3. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 drone is an outstanding choice for aerial photography enthusiasts, offering high-end features suitable for both beginners and professionals. With a 6K camera and Sony lens, this drone delivers exceptional clarity, capturing vivid details and textures for stunning photos and 4K by 30 frames per second videos. The 3-axis brushless gimbal stabilization ensures smooth, professional-quality footage, even in windy conditions, redefining stability in aerial videography. Equipped with 2 batteries, the F11 Pro 2 provides an impressive 70 minutes of flight time, enabling extended exploration without frequent recharging. The 10,000-foot transmission range and intuitive controls make it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures, while intelligent GPS flight modes like Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint simplify operation, even for beginners. The drone's night mode is a standout feature, offering stunning nighttime visuals with enhanced stability and clarity. Additionally, it boasts excellent wind resistance and a lightweight design, making it highly portable. User feedback highlights the drone's ease of use, stability, and superior image quality, with many noting its capability to deliver cinematic footage effortlessly. The responsive customer support and thoughtful design, such as the removable gimbal cover and FAA compliance, further enhance the experience. Overall, the Ruko F11 Pro 2 is a feature-packed, reliable, and versatile drone that caters to diverse needs, ensuring value for money. Highly recommended. Number 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo is a game-changing drone for photography enthusiasts, offering a seamless balance of power, portability, and advanced features. Its 48MP camera paired with a 1x2-inch CMOS sensor delivers crisp, high-resolution stills, while the 4K by 60 frames per second video ensures cinematic quality footage. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization guarantees smooth results even in dynamic flying conditions, and the inclusion of HDR capabilities elevates the visual output. The 34-minute flight time per battery, with 3 included batteries, provides extended flying sessions, while OcuSync 2.0 ensures a reliable video transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. Intelligent flight modes like Active Track 3.0, Spotlight 2.0, and Point of Interest (POI) 3.0 make capturing professional quality shots remarkably simple, even for beginners. The compact, foldable design and rugged build enhance portability and durability, while the intuitive DJI Fly app streamlines operation. User reviews highlight the Mavic Air 2's excellent camera performance, robust signal stability, and impressive ease of use, making it ideal for both novice and seasoned pilots. Features like 8K hyperlapse, ND filters, and panorama mode further expand creative possibilities. With its blend of advanced features, exceptional flight stability, and thoughtful accessories, the Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo is an unbeatable value for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and flying experience. Highly recommended. Number 1. The Swell Pro FD2 Fisherman Max is an exceptional fishing drone, designed to elevate your angling game with advanced features and rugged performance. Its IP67 waterproof design ensures durability in harsh marine environments, while the foldable arms make storage and transport hassle-free. The standout feature is its 7.0 pounds bait capacity, ideal for pro anglers targeting larger fish. Combined with a 1.5 kilometers casting range, it eliminates the effort of manually paddling baits over long distances, letting you focus on the thrill of the catch. The 4K camera with real-time views makes spotting fish and releasing bait precise, while the splash-proof remote with a multicolor LCD display enhances convenience and usability. This drone is built to perform, even in challenging conditions, with level 6 wind resistance ensuring stability in winds up to 40 miles per hour. Safety features like auto return protect against signal loss or low battery, giving you peace of mind during extended use. The FDFly app unlocks intelligent autopilot features such as tap to fly and fishing spot saving, making it user-friendly even for intermediate pilots. User feedback praises the FD2's reliability and durability, though setup may require some patience. With robust capabilities and innovative features, the FD2 Fisherman Max is a must-have tool for serious anglers looking to up their fishing game. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which drone is your favorite, or if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy flying, helicopter.